Hello and welcome to this tutorial on getting set up as a validator for the Vara Network. As a validator, you play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the Vara Network. Your job is to produce blocks for the chain. In return, you will receive a reward for your efforts. Validators are special network participants who produce blocks for the chain if selected in an active validator set. In return, these validators receive a reward for their efforts. To launch the validator, we will use the official docs of Vara Network, which offers the simplest and most secure way to do this. Let's head over to the guide for the validator setup. Here, you'll see the minimum system hardware requirements that are currently needed. In the future, these requirements may change. Now let's scroll down a bit and take a look at the code you'll need to connect to the server. Simply copy the code, paste it, and connect. And with that, you have successfully installed the node. Now that the node has been installed, you can check it using the following line of code. Alright, now we'll need to create a Vara account for our validator. If you already have an account, you can skip this part. There are two different ways to do this. The first is to generate a seed phrase by running this command in your terminal. The second way is to use the Polkadot UI app or another wallet that supports substrate networks. I already prepared my accounts via the Polkadot.js app, and I have my Vara tokens prepared for paying fees. Next, we'll need to run our node and make it a system service. To make it more simple and convenient, we recommend using our prepared Ansible scripts. If you have never before used Ansible, first you'll need to install it using this command. Also, if you use a password to access the server, you should install sshpass utility. In my case, I already have Ansible installed. Now we need to download the playbook script itself from the following link. Now, to run the Ansible playbook script, let's complete the next command. In this case, I already have my command prepared for the server. Here, instead of flags, we need to specify our hostname, username, and of course the path to the server key. Or, in case of using the sshpass utility, we can use the flag K. Okay, let's run the script. Here we'll need to type our node name and link the node with our stash account by specifying its seed phrase. Once that process has been started, we'll need to wait for our playbooks to be complete, and we will see the Ansible log. Okay, it seems to be done. Everything is working. The service is seen here. And now that it's done, we can check our node status in the Vara telemetry. From here you can see that our node is now synchronizing. Now that that's confirmed, we can go and set up our validator in the Polkadot.js. The next step in setting up the validator is getting the session keys. To do so, we'll simply head back to our documentation so you can copy the code used to get the session keys. Everything is successful. Now we'll need to save the hex result for the next step. We'll save it here in our notes. Now we are finally ready to set up our validator node. Let's open Polkadot.js and navigate to the staking section. Once there, click on the Accounts section, and then click on Add Validator. Here you'll need to select your stash and control accounts accordingly. Next, we'll need to take those keys we copied and saved and paste them here. Finally, we'll set up our reward commission percentage and then select bond and validate. Finalize by signing the transaction. And with that, you've officially set up your first validator node for the Vara network. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in future tutorials.